up today, okay? I've been doing it for a month now, and I feel like incredible. I feel like a warrior, okay? I can take on anything. It feels so good. If you have a cycle bar in your area, definitely check it out. It's a great 45-minute session. You won't regret it. Every time I do this class, I just feel like I'm doing great, doing better and better. Cycling is not for the weak, okay? I like to add 1 part water and then also some milk. I love adding cinnamon, so I'm gonna add this one. This is my fave. And be generous with it. I got this lovely coffee machine during Black Friday. I've been really wanting a good drip coffee machine. I don't know what it is. It's probably, now that I'm getting older, I just want a regular cup of coffee in the morning. I don't care for the extraness, you know? I was gonna get an espresso machine, the Breville one, but then I was like, do I want an espresso every single day? No. I just want a good cup of joe in the morning with fresh beans, you know? So I researched the best drip coffee, and this one was #1. European made. The best drip coffee. I tried it out yesterday, and you guys, it was the most delicious cup of coffee I've ever made. So good. Like, good quality. I'm gonna use this paper. I'm gonna use this paper filter, and I'm gonna grind some fresh beans. And this is the beans I'm using by James Coffee, one of my favorite local coffee shops here. And this is the notes. I'll show you guys the notes. Milk chocolate, praline, and creamy vanilla. You guys, it smells so good. Not only does it smell so good, it tastes incredible. A #1 coffee shop. They don't disappoint. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of pumpkin pie because I'm feeling a little extra this morning, so I'm gonna add a little bit of this in my mug machine going, and I'll show you guys. So I have the grind on about a 10. I like it that way. I'll try it out some other ways next time, but so far I'm liking it right on the 10. And I'll show you guys. I'm just gonna press. There you have it. This is about 3 cups worth. I'm gonna fill the water tank up to the 3 mark, and we'll get this baby going. I got the filter going. And then let's start it. Slowly drips in there. Smelling delicious. This thing is so cool. If only you guys can smell it. don't look good. Let's give it a try. Bismillah. I killed my gingerbread latte by James Coffee. Absolutely love this. It's their holiday seasonal drink. If you're NSD, go try the gingerbread latte at James Coffee. Usually get these. I love that you don't need no glue. I'm trying these one out. They're a bit more volume. But I love how you don't need glue. It's pre-glued. I have more over here. I love that they're fully in stock today. Can we try these?